So we're going to do a quick video on how to actually import the new Good Morning Marietta title. I want to get a lower third here over my name. This is going to be a really easy process. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the graphics workspace, click there, and then here under the Browse tab of the Essential Graphics panel, you're going to come down to where you have Install Motion Graphics Template. You will click that. You'll only have to do this one time when you sit down to a computer, unless you're going to a new computer, and then you'll have to do it there based on signing in there. But you're going to go to Google Drive, go to Shared Drives, GMM. Under GMM, there's a folder called GMM Mogert Resources. Click that. And then this is what we're going to use, GMM lower third title.mogrt. Click Open. That's going to go into our library now. It should be alphabetical, and we'll scroll down. If it's not alphabetical, you just have to check how yours is sorted. But here we go. We've got a GMM lower third title. I'm going to drag that over here and press play. And you can see that that's going to come in. It's going to animate in, and then it's going to fade out. The colors are correct. Everything looks good. But what we need to do is change this. So it's easy. Just click on this one time. Come up to the T for the type tool. And then you're going to type in the information. Come down to the next layer. And let's just keep it simple. So Mr. Dempsey, video teacher. You'll notice that this actually comes out kind of to match the length. So if you come in here and you're like, Mr. Joshua Van Dempsey, it all is going to extend out there, but that's not what we're doing for this. And so there we go, Mr. Dempsey, video teacher. You want to see it, click the arrow and then click out of it, and you can see what it looks like there. Well, let's come down and hit play. Mr. Dempsey, video teacher, and it animates out. And that is how you find and install the GMM Mogert. That way all of our lower thirds will be consistent for the rest of the year.